properly hook up gauges in order to recover refrigerant, you want to hook your red line up to your hot gas, actually your liquid line, high pressure liquid line, and then your low pressure line, your blue hose goes to the suction line of your compressor. Then you take your yellow hose, come down to your recovery machine and hook it into the in coming from your gauges. You'll have to have a spare hose coming out of the out, and that goes to your tank. So what you do to start this up, after you get everything hooked up, come to your gauges, make sure your yellow hose is open, your recovery, make sure this one's shut, and then you can open up your gauges on both sides. And then what you want to do is you want to purge all the air out of the line. Then you open your tank. Your tank will start filling immediately. And then you turn your recovery machine on after you find the power switch. Not my normal recovery machine, so. And then you sit back and wait. Watch your pressures. This is the pressure going into the tank. This is the pressure coming out of the air conditioning unit. And what you're looking for is on your gauges, once you know it's totally evacuated, is -3 psi basically. And then you know you're good to start disconnect. As you're recovering and the pressure builds, your recovery tank's going to heat up, which is going to make the pressure go up. That's your pressure temperature relationship. So what I do is you can either get a hose, water hose. I don't have a water hose, so I'm using a bucket. I'm going to slowly pour water over this tank to keep it cool, so the pressure stays down and allows more refrigerant to go in faster. Alright, we're down to -4, so I'm going to shut everything down. So, close these off. Then you want to close, turn your pump off, close this. Your tank off, and then you want to purge your line. Just crack it, let it go. There you go. And that is, if you have any questions, comments, I will try to address anything that is asked. Y'all have a good one.